Okay guys, I got a 2014 Dodge or Mercedes Sprinter van. I'm going to show you how to remove the door panel. It's pretty easy. There are two torque screws, one right there, one right there. I believe these are T15 or T20, maybe even T25. There's a cover right here you're going to have to pop off. Just get like a really thin flathead screwdriver and pop it off, and then there's another T torque right there as well. And then there's a piece right here. Just get a flathead, pop it off, and there is a Torx right there. I think this is a T25, one right there as well. And then once you get those off, you're just gonna slowly start popping it. I still got one right there. Okay, so I took that screw out, just popped it off. Then we got this right here. You want to just take a screw, just take a flathead or something and pry it out. Like that. And then take that out like that. And that's how you remove it. It's pretty easy. Just look out for those hidden screws, and these are all torque that you're going to be using. Thanks for watching.